What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and today I'm here working from home. As you may or may not know, there's a whole lot of crazy things going on in the world, so I just want to kind of check in with you and see how everything's going. You know, if you can, please leave a comment below. Let me know, like, how you're doing, if you're doing good, if you're doing bad, if, you know, something crazy is happening to you as well. In Los Angeles currently, all schools are closed, businesses are closed, restaurants are closed. If you go outside, there's really not much going on right now. Some of these grocery stores are hectic, people panicking, but as a result, pretty much all of my classes have been canceled and postponed till further notice. So unfortunately, this is the current situation that I'm in, but at the same time, I figured I might as well make the best of it and adapt to the situation, adapt to the times, adapt to, you know, who knows what tomorrow could bring. So I've decided to start a weekly class, a weekly beginner class, catered to you guys that are first getting into breaking, learning, trying to get the basics down, and even for those who have been breaking for a while but might need to be set on the right course. There's a lot of things that I think that even in my first or second class that I teach, kids learn that kids that have been dancing, you know, 5+ years still can't do. So I just wanted to announce, starting in April, I'll be doing a weekly beginner breaking class in addition to my monthly intermediate master class. And if you guys have not known about that, I've actually been doing that for the past couple months, and it's actually been growing and doing quite well with some of these kids. There's actually a couple people that have been getting flares down and, you know, working towards actually achieving some of their own personal goals. The master class is a notch up. It is a little bit harder. So if you're just starting out, it might be a lot more beneficial for you to just join the weekly breaking class. So because of this, I actually made a couple adjustments to my Patreon. So I want to show you guys this. To show you, just the first tier is just as a VincaniTV supporter. If you watch this channel, if you enjoy this content, if you want to support future content, you could join as a supporter. You basically get to be a part of our VincaniTV network. Okay, the second one, again, is my monthly master class that I'll be doing. It typically will take place towards the end of the month, depending on what's going on. And these classes are live streamed, but you don't have to be there live. I mean, ideally, I would love you to be there live so I could interact with you, I could talk to you, I could help you a little bit better. But if you're not, you could always replay these master classes at any time, as long as you are part of this tier on Patreon. You could check it out and replay it however many times you guys need. The second tier is actually the masterclass plus feedback, meaning whatever we're working on each month, you'll get to send me a clip of you training, practicing it, or even, you know, something else you're working on. Maybe you're trying to get better for a battle or training on something, and I'll send you feedback every single month, something that'll, you know, help you improve. I'll send you what to work on. I'll send you maybe little like details that I think you could improve upon, and maybe some tricks that will help you get to that point. The next tiers are all the brand new ones. So the first one is the weekly beginner class. It costs $50, which is typically the cost if you were to go to any dance studio and take a weekly class. Some of them are actually a lot more than this, but so you guys could join this at $50 per month. And if you guys want to join both, if you want to do the weekly breaking class and the master class for $10 more, so $60, you could actually do both, right? So you actually get a $10 discount by doing both of them. The next one is basically the beginner class plus feedback. So if you want to just take my beginner class, you don't think you need the master class, you could just get the beginner class and feedback, and that costs $80 a month. You could do that at any time. And just so you guys know, this tier is limited. I only have 10 spots available. If you are interested, again, it does take me a lot of time to give people feedback. So I am limiting it to 10 spots. So if you are interested in taking the beginner class and getting feedback, make sure you guys get on that one soon, because it will fill up. The very last one is basically if you want to do everything, right? You're just really hungry to learn, okay? I have weekly classes plus the master class plus feedback, and that's gonna cost $90 per month. So you're basically getting 5 classes. The workshops each week are going to be about an hour long, give or take, and the masterclass are 2 hours long because they are a little bit more intense. We're going to be working out, we're going to be doing all types of things, training, drilling stuff, learning new skills, all that stuff. So if you are interested in joining, make sure you guys hop on now. Again, all the feedback tiers, there's 3 of them, only have 10 spots, okay? Because again, it does take a lot of time for me to look at clips and give feedback. So if you are interested, hop in those now. We do have a masterclass that's going to be going on next week focused on flow. And if you guys want to join that, make sure you guys hop in that soon. Okay? If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave them below. Again, I appreciate you guys. And if you guys are uninterested in joining the workshops, but you still want to show your support, you guys can go to my merch site, link below, get one of these t-shirts, get one of these sweaters, all types of things on there. And you could also join just as a VincaniTV supporter on Patreon as well. I hope you guys are doing well. And again, I know things in the world are sounding and feeling a little bit crazy, but that shouldn't prevent us from living our lives. So hope you guys are doing well. I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.